Hey everybody, it's Dakota Collins. Just going to go over real quickly about the Qualcomm Macros that you'll be using. Basically, you've got three tabs here. You got your inbox, where your messages come in, your outbox, where you sent your messages. You can go in there and look at your previous messages, and your compose tab is where you go to compose a message. A new message could be freeform or macros. When you get a message, you'll see a little alert up in this icon here, the mail. It'll have a 1 or an exclamation point. It's red. Make sure you click that, and then it'll go into your inbox. And then, of course, when you get it, you can just click it, and there's your messages here. You can scroll down, and then you can reply back to it, delete it, or go back here. I'm going to go back. And then we're going to go to the outbox here. This is where all of your sent messages will be seen here. You want to go back and look at what you sent. You can delete them here. Looks like these have already been deleted. When you get to a shipper or receiver, or you want to send a message, here's all of your macros here, and there's quite a few, but of course you've only got your selected ones that you'll be using most of the time here. Alright, so I want to compose a message here. I want to let dispatch know that I'm at a shipper. So pretty simple, just arrive at shipper and then hit send. Whenever you leave your shipper, make sure you do depart shipper. It'll tell you what's mandatory, so you've got to have a pro number, whether you drop the trailer or not, outbound trailer, and a bill of lading number or the reference number, and always include the trailer number as well. That way dispatch knows what trailer you got. When I've arrived at the receiver, make sure you hit the arrive at consignee macro and then hit send. That way dispatch knows you're there. Make sure you do it as soon as you get there. That way we can keep up with your detention time if you need it. And also it helps keep track of our ELD, and as well as EDI customers, which is customers that can see electronically what time you've gotten there. That way they know how to track our loads on time, make sure we're doing everything we're supposed to. Once you get empty, hit your empty call macro. Again, hit the pro number. Make sure you enter your pro number, your inbound trailer, as well as if you dropped your trailer or not. If you did drop that trailer, be sure to enter in the correct outbound trailer number. And then, of course, you got some more options here: bill of lading, overshortage damages. If yes, make sure you put the reason, as well as call dispatch, of course. And if you need to explain anything further, you can always hit your freeform as well. And to send a freeform message, just simply click the freeform and then just start typing away here. Press this keyboard here and then press send. Alright, now that you got the gist of it, to take it a step further, we're going to go over more detailed depart shipper and empty call macros, just for keeping up with our trailers. It's very important that you double check your trailer number before you hit enter. I know sometimes it's easy to fat finger on these touchscreens, so just double check your trailer number before you hit enter. So when you go into a drop and hook location, your inbound trailer will be obviously what you've got, and your outbound trailer will be what you're taking out. Now if you bobtail out, say you come to a Jackson terminal, bring your trailer here, drop it, and bobtail, you'll be leaving your outbound trailer blank. You don't put anything in there. If you put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 just as a filler, well, we don't have a trailer called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so the system's going to throw an error. So just leave that blank. Same as if you're bobtailing to your next place. Say you're bobtailing from Jackson to Macon, you'll just have your inbound trailer, leave it blank, and your outbound trailer will be what you're picking up. Now if you're bringing a load to the Jackson yard and then you're picking up another load off the yard to either deliver or take home, happens quite often here, so especially to get you home if we need to, or something like that. You'll treat the Jackson terminal as a shipper and receiver. So when you get here with your load that you're swapping, arrive at consignee, empty call, and then your outbound trailer will be either blank since you haven't picked up your next trailer yet, or you can go ahead and enter it in. I always like to leave it blank just in case the next guy hasn't dropped his load yet. So you'll follow your load out with the macros, and then you do arrive at shipper because you're picking up a load here. And then you do the depart shipper macro. Make sure you have the right trailer number in. Your outbound trailer, your inbound trailer will either be left blank or the one that you previously just had, the load that you brought here. And then make sure you put your correct outbound trailer number in, and always double check.